इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि कितनी जल्दी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर पाए द टेक्निक हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई फास्ट नाउ आई एम चूजिंग टू नंबर्स दैट इज 32 and 38. This technique is applicable for this kind of number. The first number is the same number. That means the number first number is started from same number, and the second number add of the second number is 10. If you find this kind of number, then the multiplication technique is 32 into 38. First you multiply second two numbers. So 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16. Then add 1 with first number. So that is 4. Now 4 into 3, that is 12. So the answer is 12. 1216 is the answer. Now again 47 and 43. Look, the first number, look, the both started with 4 and the sum of the second number is 10. So we apply this technique here. So first 7 3s are 21 and add 1 with 4. So 4 plus 1 5. Now 5 into 4 that is 20. So the answer of the multiplication is 2021. Again I am taking one number 3931. Look, these two numbers started from 3 and the sum of the next two digit is 10. So we apply the same method. 9 1 is a 9. So we consider 09 because two number will be there and 1 will add with it 4, and now 4 into 3 that is 12. So in this way you can multiply two numbers within few seconds. Thank you. If you like my video, subscribe, share and spread my video. Thank you.